Hello everybody, Luke here from Linders in Chapelizod. Today we're going to go through this lovely car in front of me. This is a 2014 Audi A4. This is a Technic model and it's a 2-litre diesel. So we're going to have a little walk around this car, show you how clean this car is. And then we're going to go through the spec on it. So straight away, as you can see, those lovely alloy wheels have a really nice finish with the white, the chrome on the windows, and then the slightly tinted rear section of the car. This car is equipped with front and rear parking sensors. As you can see, 2 little sporting exhaust tips there put the icing on the cake. Really sharp looking car, as you can see. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have a little look at the driver's interior. Now everybody, here is the driver's interior of the A4. As you can see, straight away we've got full black leather interior, which is a lovely finish for the car. You've got multi-function steering wheel there. We've got automatic lights over on this side. We've gone down to the centre. We have got a navigation system. We've got CD player. We've got dual climate control, heated front seats on this model as well. We've got 6-speed gearbox. We've got the automatic handbrake there as well, and then your radio and navigation controls down here also. So we've got 2 cup holders here, armrest which is leather as well, and storage compartment there. Now what we're going to take a look at is the rear of the car. So here we have the rear of the A4. As you can see, there is a centre armrest that comes down. We've got ISOFIX in place in the back here, and as you can see, there's loads and loads of room out the back here. This car would comfortably fit 5 adults. So we're just going to check out the boot space on this A4, and as you can see, there is loads and loads of room in this lovely saloon car. So there we have a little video on our lovely 2014 A4. Any other questions, do feel free to give me a buzz on 629 9653 or the alternative line 629 9600. Thanks a million for watching today, guys, and speak to you soon.